Hey everyone, welcome back to the AIPURE channel. Today we've got an exciting tutorial for you. How to use Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra for free. No need for deployment, no API purchases, and you can use it online at zero cost. You'll get top-notch, high-quality images in just 10 seconds. If you're interested in this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you more free and useful guides, so let's jump right in. Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra is the latest game-changing AI image generation model from Flux AI. This advanced model can transform your text descriptions into highly detailed, high-resolution images in no time. Using cutting-edge deep learning and neural network technologies, Flux is perfect whether you're creating artwork or need high-quality marketing visuals. Plus, it's super user-friendly, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. Even beginners can get started easily. Curious about how its image quality compares to other AI generators? Or wondering what makes it stand out? Be sure to check out our previous video where we did a detailed comparison and review. Here's the deal. On the official Flux AI website, using Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra requires purchasing an API. Plus, the platforms it supports also need a paid subscription. So, how can you try it out without spending a dime? No worries. Today we've got a step-by-step guide to show you how to use Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra for free through the Glif platform. Step 1. Visit the Glif official page. First, open the link in the description below our video. Click on Visit Website to access the Glif homepage. Step 2. Access Flux Ultra on Glif.app. Once you're on Glif.app, search for Flux Ultra and click to start using Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra. Step 3. Enter your prompt. Think about the image you want to create, then type your description into the prompt box. For example, an orange cat sitting in a spaceship will quickly generate an impressive result. We compared it to images generated on the official platform, and honestly, the details are almost identical. It's pretty amazing. Step 4. Choose aspect ratio. You can also select the aspect ratio that best suits your needs, like 1:1 square, 16:9 widescreen, and more. Step 5. Select image type. Decide if you want a more realistic look by selecting true, or go for a more artistic, abstract style by choosing false. Step 6. Click Run this Glif. Finally, hit the Run this Glif button, and within seconds, you'll get a stunning image with up to 2K resolution. Get creative. Don't hesitate to try different prompts and settings. Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra excels at generating lifelike portraits, making your images look more natural and detailed. Just keep in mind that the free version only allows you to generate one image at a time, with a limit of 20 images per day. Conclusion and call to action. That's it for today's tutorial. If you're excited to try this tool, go ahead and test it out for yourself. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our latest videos about AI tools. See you in the next one.